Hey my loves, it's your girl Dluvly. Today's video is all about DIY. I will be showing you how to turn this $3 table and bird cage into something amazing for all under $20. Keep watching. For the first step, you want to gather your materials that you will be using. For this project, I picked up a Dollar Tree paintbrush, gold paint from Michaels, and I'm just using recycled paper from the phone book so I would not mess up the top of this table, which will be on the second project that I'll be working on. But the first project is the bird cage. Now, the first place that I chose to shop this bird cage was the thrift store because I had seen so many of these bird cages on my Pinterest board and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to go to the thrift store to see if they had any before I went to any other decor stores like Home Goods, Marshalls, etc. because I know they can be very expensive, and this one I got for $4 and that was a bargain price. So don't forget to check your thrift stores. Once the inside and outside of the cage was painted, I let it sit overnight to dry. DIY vintage projects can be so cool to create and also a big change when you add just a little bit of paint. This gold came out exactly how I was expecting it to be. I only used one coat and it did the job. I suggest going with a neutral color when painting. That way you can always add color with your decor and everything will still blend in together. With this bird cage, if you're not satisfied with just the color and it being plain, you can always add decor. So you see me with these cute butterflies. I picked that up from Dollar Tree. I also added in some other white butterflies and a dark pink cushion. When decorating, use your imagination. Let it go wild. Don't be afraid. Just do it all. Be girly. Be fancy. For the second look, I wanted to do something unique, create a table that haven't been created before. So I picked up some white and clear wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree so they can lay on top of the table as a cover. And I also used pearls that came from Michaels for $9.99 and they were having a 30% off sale, which saved me a few dollars. The first step you want to do is measure and cut off the amount of material or paper that you will be needing to cover the top of the table. Then using a hot glue stick, go ahead and glue down the paper and be very careful because I burnt myself on my arm doing this and I was really upset because I'm always using this glue gun and this was the first time I got a burn from it. Before flipping over the table, I used the same gold paint that I used for the bird cage, and you can also use whatever paint you have laying around the house. I know this table is looking a little crazy right now, but remember at the end it's gonna be so freaking cute. Now, I could have just painted this tabletop white, but I knew it was gonna be a little bit more money to buy that glossy paint, and I'm so indecisive. So I was like, instead, I just covered it up and put my little purse up here, and it just boosted all the way up. And now what we all have been waiting for, the reveal! Who said bargain shopping had to be the worst experience ever? No one. This beautiful table cost me no more than $15, and that's including the wrapping paper, the pearls, and the paint. Everything else was already in my house, so you can do the same thing. I hope I have inspired you guys to go thrift shopping to find your latest goodie. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I download a video. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Mwah!